Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine at your home. Welcome to Nature Study class. And today in Nature Study, we will learn about plants. How do the plants grow and what they need to grow. So, children, you will learn today what I said. What is the topic? Yes, how does a plant grow and what does a plant need to grow? To be alive, what does they need? Kids want to know what the kids want to know. Yes, they want to know how does a plant grow, because you all kids see the plants all around you, isn't it? And so you have a query, you have a question, how does these plants grow? So today we will learn about it. So are you all ready, children? Okay, let's start. This is the life cycle of a plant. Plants are the living things. They grow and reproduce like any other living things. They follow a cyclic process of starting a new life, growing and then coming back to the starting stage. Plants start their life from a seed and grow up to become a mature plant. That means a big plant. In this picture, you can see a plant has 3 stages of growth. First a seed, then a baby plant, and then it grows into a big tree. Okay. Again, trees will bear fruit. From fruit, seeds will come. Again, from the seed, again a new plant will grow. Now, what does the plant needs to grow? The needs of a plant, from seed to baby plant, then to adult plant, for growing, what they need. As we all need food, what does to grow, what does the plant need? For a plant to stay alive, what does it need? Because they grow from the seed, it is growing into a seedling, to a baby plant, then it is growing and becoming a big plant. For this they need 5 things. It needs 5 things to grow, to develop. And what are these things? 5 things plants need. First one is light, then water, next is nutrient. These nutrients plants get from the soil, then space to grow and air. So these are the 5 things plants need to grow. And from where does they get all these things? Yes, children, the sun gives the plant sunlight. The atmosphere all around us gives the plants the needed air. Then water. From where does the plant get water? From the rain, from the underground soil, plants get their water. And in our gardens we give water to the plants, then soil and the required space to grow. So these are the things. Almost all plants need these 5 things to survive: light, air, water, nutrients from the soil and space to grow. Now children, this is your homework activity. What you have to do? What does a plant need to grow? Okay, this is the question, and see, I have given 4 pictures and each picture is having a empty box. In the empty box you will fill up water, air, soil and sun, and do in your, this one you will do in your GK copy.